You know that person. They drive an older car, bring food from home, never talk about money. But one day, you realize they're financially free, and it feels confusing because they don't look rich. That's the first mistake most people make. They think wealth should be visible. Nice cars, big houses, expensive lifestyle. But real wealth often looks simple because the people building it aren't trying to impress anyone. Most people spend money to be seen. Better clothes, better upgrades, better image. But every time money is used for approval, it disappears. The people quietly building wealth, they don't need that validation. They care more about what money becomes, not how it looks. And that alone changes everything. They also think differently, not just in money, but in time. Every purchase becomes a question. Is this worth my time? Because money can come back. Time cannot. And that shift makes them calmer, more intentional, less reactive. Then comes the biggest difference. They organize their life around one rule. Does this make me money or cost me money? Assets or liabilities? Instead of spending everything, they slowly build things that grow. Even small amounts, invested consistently, start to compound. At first, nothing changes. But over time, everything changes. And most people miss this because they stop too early or never start at all. But the quietly wealthy stay consistent. They use simple systems. They invest regularly. They automate everything. So they don't rely on motivation. They rely on structure. And here's something important. They're comfortable waiting. What looks like discipline from the outside feels like a smart choice on the inside. Because they've seen what happens when money is left to grow. Every dollar becomes more than money. It becomes future freedom. And that changes how they think. Here's the truth. You don't need a high income. You don't need perfect timing. You just need to start. Even small amounts matter. Because what you're really building is momentum. And momentum compounds. So start simple. Use the tools available to you. Invest consistently. Automate everything. And think long term. Because wealth isn't about looking rich. It's built quietly, over time. And one day, you'll realize you didn't just earn money. You built something. Financial freedom isn't motivation. It's structure. If you're ready to see how the system truly works, follow for real strategy.